class. Here is Kaushalya Rajpurohit, your English teacher, and today we are going to take adjectives. Right? We have already discussed what are adjectives. An adjective is a word used to modify a noun or a pronoun. An adjective is a word used to modify a noun or a pronoun. Adjective answer the question what kind, which one, how many and how much. We have already seen the definition and exercise on adjective. Today we will see the adjective degrees. So what are the degrees of adjective? Adjective have 3 degrees. First one is positive, comparative and superlative. Now what is positive degree? Positive is used or positive degree is used to describe something. So for example, the car is big or the car is small, the car is red. So any word which is used to describe is called adjective, and the positive degree is the base form or the simple form of the adjective, right? ये simple form of adjective होता है और ये कोई भी चीज़ को describe करने के लिए use होता है. As we saw the example that the chair is red in color, so red will be the adjective, or the car is big, so big is adjective. So all these simple forms of adjective come under the category positive degree. They are used to describe something. कोई चीज़ को describe करने के लिए जो हम adjectives use करते हैं वो हमेशा positive degree होती है, that is in simple form. Now the second degree is comparative degree. Now when comparative degree is used, comparative is used to compare that one thing is more dash than something else. And this more can be any adjective, more big, more small, more tall, more short, right? Any of the adjective, more red, more colorful. So when we compare one thing with the another, right, and we say that it is more or less than something else, then we use comparative degree. So comparative degree is used to compare two things, right, in which one is more big than other, or more small, or more anything tall or short, or anything, any adjective you can fill in here, right? So comparative is used to compare one thing is more than the something else, right, in same category. Now similarly, see here they have compared two cars, red car and yellow car. So red car is bigger than the yellow car. Mostly comparative degree is followed by then, right? कंपेरेटिव डिग्री हमेशा देन से फॉलो, कंपेरेटिव डिग्री के बाद हमेशा देन आता है. सो एंड इट इज मोस्टली रिटन विथ ER, राइट? सो बिग, बिगर, वी हैव डबल G here and then we have ER. Then the last one is superlative. Superlative degree is used to say that something is the most big, or you can say the biggest, right? or very big, जो सबसे ज़्यादा बिग है, या कोई भी सबसे ज़्यादा उसमें जो क्वालिटी है, जो एडजेक्टिव वो बाकी लोगों से कंपेयर या बाकी सबसे ज़्यादा है. इफ आई से राम इज अ इंटेलिजेंट बॉय, राम इज मोर इंटेलिजेंट देन श्याम, राइट? तो मैंने राम और श्याम को कंपेयर किया. बट इफ आई से राम इज मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट इन द क्लास, दैट मीन्स आई हैव कंपेयर राम with all the students in the class, right? मैंने सारे students से उसको compare किया है और मैंने क्या कहा है that he is the most intelligent, that means वो सबसे ज़्यादा intelligent है. सबसे, when I compare one with many, right, and tell that he is more than all of them, then we use superlative degree. So positive degree कब use होती है? when we want to describe something, जब हमको किसी चीज़ को describe करना है and the simple form of adjective is used, right? Comparative degree or comparative form of degree is used when you want to compare one thing with another and you want to say that one thing is more than another. And superlative is used when you want to say that the thing we are talking is the best among all. वो सबसे best है, तो हम superlative degree use करते हैं, right? So degrees of comparison भी कहते हैं इनको. First one is positive, second is comparative and superlative. Now the positive degree is the simplest form and no comparison is done here, right? Simplest form of adjective use होता है. Now comparative degree, comparison using more or ER. Mostly या तो उसके आगे more use होता है, adjective के आगे, simple form के आगे, या we add ER to the adjective. superlative comparison using most और est. Now superlative degree में भी comparison होता है and mostly उसमें most या est suffix add होता है. Got it? So positive form, simple form, comparative में more या er use होता है और most में superlative में most या est. Let us see how. Now I have taken here some example for degree of adjectives. Now this one is positive degree, comparative degree, superlative. Now the first word, that is big. Now big is an adjective, it is in simple form. Now when it goes to a comparative degree, then er is added to it, right? And in superlative est. Got it? Similarly small, smaller, er, est. Smallest, tall, taller, est, tallest. Good. Now good, better, best is a option, right? There are some adjectives that does not follow this rule, that is er and est, to add the suffix er and est to the adjective or more or most. कुछ ऐसे optional adjectives हैं जिनको irregular adjectives कहते हैं, that we'll see. So good, better, best, long, longer, longest, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Now we have er and est here, but good को उन्होंने er नहीं लगाया. Gooder, it is not gooder or goodest, it is good, better, best, right? So these are some of the example of 3 degrees of comparative: big, bigger, biggest; small, smaller, smallest; tall, taller, tallest; good, better, best; long, longer, longest; beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. So आपको ये, जैसे आप 3 forms of verb learn करते हो ना, वैसे आपको ये भी learn करने होते हैं. Now I have more example for you. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful; bigger, big, bigger, the biggest; black, blacker, the blackest; bright, brighter, brightest; clean, cleaner, cleanest; clever, cleverer, cleverest. So clever will be used to describe anything. If I want to compare 2 clever boys, then I will say that one is more cleverer than other, then I will use the comparative degree, and when someone is more cleverest than all, then I will use the superlative degree. Like confused, more confused, most confused. So there are, सब में same rule नहीं होता है. Some use more and most, some use er and est, and some even don't follow that rule. वो बिल्कुल ही तीनों जो फॉर्म में अलग होते हैं. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult; dirty, dirtier, dirtiest; fascinating, more fascinating, the most fascinating. See, you can see here the is used because we use the article before superlative degree. So they have written here the, so that we can know that whenever you use superlative degree, you need to use the with it. Now famous, more famous, the most famous; far, farther, further. See, you can use any of this: far, farther, or further, or farthest or furthest. Then fast, faster, the fastest; fat, fatter, fattest; fear, fiercer, fiercest; late, later, latest; and old, older, oldest. You can also here write elder, eldest, right? Old का आप elder, eldest भी होता है. Poor, poorer, poorest; proud, prouder, proudest; quiet, quieter, quietest; sharp, sharper, the sharpest; short, shorter, the shortest; slow, slower, the slowest; small, smaller, smallest; and strange, strangest, strangest. So these are some of the example of degrees of adjective, and you can write any of the adjective in this form, right? आप 3 forms में कोई भी adjective को लिख सकते हो, right? And you need to learn them also. Okay, so I hope you have understood what are degrees of adjectives. There are 3 degrees of adjectives, right? Positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Now positive degree is used only for describing anything, right? We just describe a single thing. I want to tell something about the thing, more something about that thing, तो describe करना है तो मैं positive degree का form में adjective लूँगी. If I want to compare 2 things, right, then I will use the comparative degree. And when I want to compare one with so many things, right, one among with so many, then I use superlative degree. Got it? And these are the examples. And mostly we use er in comparative degree, est, or sometimes more and most. So this is the mostly used degrees for comparative rules for comparative and superlative. But there are some irregular degrees of adjectives also, in which the positive and comparative and superlative forms are different, right? That we will see in our next video, and we will also practice some exercises on degrees of adjective. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you.